Hi, Ruskin Glass Centre, where my workshop is. It's a bit different today, let me show you. I've made this sign and people are laughing as though it's sarcastic. The cafe is closed today after 14 days straight. I mean, they have. They've worked so hard, the cafe staff have. And I've put on there, however, 6 workshops are open. That's me. And I've done that because we've had a number of people come up the stairs today. Get to here, not sure what's going on. That's been open. Studios have been open, but not necessarily the ones as soon as you walk in. Let me show you. I mean, that's fair enough. They've worked so hard. They've done so well. They've been brilliant. But there's just one open down there. This isn't open, and this doesn't look good for us because it actually makes the place feel a bit dead. So these aren't open. So that doesn't help, does it? But anyhow, Ian's in. Richard's been in. He's only just gone. Vic's in. And I'm in. So I've done a bit of tidying for today because I've had to tidy up. I want to show you what. So I'm getting on with this, and I'm having fun with that. I'll show you that in a sec. Setting the saw up in the middle of that. I've had to do some blocks, which some of you people have followed me because I do these blocks. These are out of my wood shavings and dust. Go in there, create the blocks. And I've made these 30 today. They'll go up on there, but I've done it because it's housekeeping. I've got a bag of shavings there. I've emptied one bag. That one bag will do 50, 60, 70 blocks, but that needs emptying. But I'm going to do this little bit of cutting before I empty that. But been doing that. This looks tidy, doesn't it? So yes, I want to show you this. So this is a pain in the flipping neck. So let's just show you what's going on. This has got a nice gap underneath it. But the way that timber works is if I put it where it's going to go, which is there, if I hold that tight, look at the gap there, it's twice as much. And you're thinking, oh, blimey, the gap's twice as much. But actually, when I pull those two together, it'll straighten. So what's happening is one of these is bending one way and the other, and this side's bending the other. By the time they're all glued together, it'll make a lamination. It'll make a strong strip. It will be glued up, most likely on the edge of here. So as it's gluing and drying, it's on a straight surface. And that will start my frame off, and my frame will be square. So the first thing I've got to do is make a pattern for down the bottom here to work out how much I've got to cut off this piece, because that will go in there. That will go there like that, and it'll be out this back corner where my thumbnail is. Right, so let's get on with that. Right, had a good day on there, so that's great. Got some blocks done that. Pleased with that. Just going to get out of here. I'm done for today. Thank you for watching, and yeah, oh no, I'm not done. Hang on a sec. Hang on a sec. Right, I was given this the other day. Now, I help out I love helping people, and I love talking to people nowadays. And this bag was given to me by Daisy Packham's. Daisy does these lovely pieces. David Packham's dad. And I've got some unwrapping to do. Oh, blimey. Oh, good grief. Right, okay. So I'm just going to have a look through this, and then let's see let me put my glasses on. So Daisy does some beautiful fused glass. She's got her own kiln and machine, little tools and machine things, and she does some great work. Oh wow, hang on. Look at that. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh, I love it. And this one, look at this one, a blue one. Oh, that looks a great blue on here. That's the blue that, yeah, looks paler. I've got a lovely little one of those in. That's Daisy's old business card there. This is a new one. And, oh, they're great. Right, and what's in here? What's in here? Oh, didn't expect this, didn't expect this. Oh, hang on. Oh, wow, okay. She makes the most beautiful biscuits. Look at this. How cool is that? Oh, Daisy, thank you, and Barry and Jackie. I help you out, and I don't do it for this reason. I do it because you're wonderful people, and I just feel that if I can help in any way, I will. So that's what I do. Let's see if I can open this one-handed. Ah, asparagus. Oh, asparagus. I saw that and I was just like, oh, hang on. Oh, asparagus. Put it in your garden. That's where your asparagus grows. Oh, put it in your garden? No way. I've got them in here. I absolutely love them. They're the best ever. And I had somebody in the Biennale see the black cherry and he's just like, oh, I've got some of Daisy's. They're beautiful, aren't they? And he said, I've not got the black cherry. I love the black cherry. So, yeah. Oh, wow. Love asparagus. Thank you. What's in here? Another one. Hang on. Oh, new look carrot. Oh, brilliant. Oh, let me get old carrot. Let me get old carrot. So this is from 2019. Oh, Daisy. Daisy. Oh, look at the difference. I love new carrot. I love old carrot. Oh, it's a little bit more red. It's more orange on here. In real life. These are... And look, I can't bring myself... I just keep them to look at them because they're beautiful. I need to make a frame or something for them because they're lovely. So yeah, old carrot, new carrot. And I can see what's going on there. There's a little bit of saving going on. But look at the shape of this carrot. I love the new shape with the little bits on the side and the wobbles. Love that, Daisy. Love it. What? Another one? Oh. Right, okay. Wow, strawberry's beautiful. Oh, and it's frit, not painted on. That's gorgeous. Oh, bless you guys, thank you. Oh my life, I certainly didn't expect this. I don't do it for this. We love you guys. My girls, you guys. You're the best. You really are. That is a great little collection. Thank you. And I've got my others that... Wonderful. Thank you. Much appreciated.